We hear about the workforce crisis, but we hear about it in silos. So when you look at it at scale across the entirety of the built environment ecosystem, from manufacturers and material producers to your trades, crafts, AE, construction, owners, operators, etc., suddenly you understand the sheer size of the gap. And when you start looking at that size of the gap, suddenly you realize there's simply, from a numbers, data-driven, fact-based perspective, the only demographic that can help us fill the shortage is 51% of the population, women, who do not enter the built environment workforce for whatever reason, right? We're talking about less than 4% of trades and crafts. Women make up less than 17% of engineers, 14% of practicing engineers. You see less than 11% of women in construction, period. It doesn't matter how many more men from different ethnic categories that you try to invite, and we should, don't get me wrong, but there's not enough Asians in America to make up the gap. We need to make sure that there is significant and meaningful participation of women in our built environment workforce. So that's going to be what we call Elevate 2025, because we're elevating this issue, which now has grown to be what we consider to be a national security issue. You can't be an asset leader without understanding the criticality of workforce and how the shortage of workforce is going to impact us. So that is March 4th, 2025 at the National Building Museum.